Hello and welcome to your first note in Python. I'm going to talk about how to generate your first note in Python and also talk about some Python concepts along the way. So the first thing I need to mention is installing Python packages. To do that, well, I need to back up another step further. I'm assuming you have Python and pip installed on your computer. If you don't, and you can't find out how on the internet, ask me in the comments and I'll try to make a video showing you the walkthrough of that. But anyway, we assume we have Python installed. And if I go into a new tab, why is it so tiny? Okay, we'll just do it here. The way to know Python is installed is to do python -- version. I also have a virtual environment going on, which is usually a good idea, but it's not something I'm going to talk about in this video. So the concept I want to get into is Python packages. You can install a Python package using pip install and the name of the package. I chose the package Musical Beeps because it seems to be the easiest way to generate some simple musical sounds in Python. Notice that it collects and then downloads musical beeps and also collects NumPy, which is a popular numerical manipulation library for Python. It also needed to collect simple audio and installed all the packages and says done. The next concept I want to get to is using a Python interactive console. To do that, you just type the command Python, and it gives you some information about your Python installation. And now we can do basic things like print hello, and it prints hello. But we're going to do some more interesting things here, which is we're going to import musical beeps. And I need to scroll back up and remind myself how this worked. Player, volume, mute, output, musical beeps. Okay. Player equals musical beeps dot player. And I won't go into all of the details here. What was it again? Volume, mute, output. So we set a volume, which is how loud the sound will be. Mute output equals false. That's probably it's defaulted to muting it so you don't accidentally make too many noises. Now that we've created a player variable, we can call it with player.play note with a, and because of these quotes, a is a string in Python. If I just typed a, Python would give me an error because name a is not defined. But if I tell Python a in quotes, then we know Python knows that we're talking about a string with the letter a. So let's go ahead and try playing that note. Maybe not the most musical sound, but if you're following along at home, you've just made your first programmatically generated sound. Congratulations. There's a lot of fun in store for you.